Omuri kikorwa eby'okwerinda hamwe n'abeebembezi Lieutenant Matemagwara ori omuhwezi wa RDC ahabwa district ya Kasese washabira abeebembezi okukwatanisa n'abeebyokwerinda okunyweza ebyokwerinda omu district egi.
Security cannot be left to only the security organs. It requires the involvement of the wananchi, as actually that strategic relationship between the armed forces and the wananchi is what builds good security.
Lieutenant Magwara nayongera agira ngu nango bwahati ebyokwerinda byamazire kuba nebinywezebwa.
There has been a very great improvement. People are moving about with the businesses as usual.
Abeebembezi bo nangwa nibagira ngo batwire batari kumanya bamwe abarikukurra ebyokwerinda ngo konkora ikikorro bayambere okubamanya.
For us as leaders, we are heading securities in our areas of jurisdiction, like in town castle. But you find that at the border, you don't know who's in charge of ISO, who's in charge of migration. So this meeting has united all of us, and we have pledged total support to see that our security at the border is very intensified.
Bamwe mu beebembezi nibagira ngu emyanya yabo eyi barikubeeramu ebyokwerinda nibyerarikiriza ahabwo kugira ngo barye hamwatano ogwa Uganda n'ihanga rya Congo.
All guns that are used in illegal poaching are obtained from DRC, and those are the areas between Kayanja and Kamukumbi. So wrong elements do pass who carry illegal guns, but mainly they are coming to use them for poaching.
When you get these people, let them come to immigration. It is our mandate to facilitate them. Okay? And two, it's also our mandate to even arrest without warrant the ones that stay here illegally. We have those powers guided by the Constitution.
Amakuru agasha kwa Gilbert Mahanguzi.